In this lesson, we'll be using the completing the square method to express a quadratic equation like this into the form of px plus minus r square plus a constant u. In doing the completing the square, we have 3 steps to guide us, and these 3 steps will be applied along the way in appropriate ways. And to show you how these 3 steps are being applied, let's do an example. In this example, we are going to express this quadratic equation in the form of ax minus b squared plus c. So let's write down first the quadratic equation, 2x squared minus 8x plus 21. Now the first step is to ensure that the coefficient of x squared is 1. So right now we see that the coefficient of x squared is 2. So to get rid of the 2, what we need to do is to bring the 2 out into a bracket, and we're leaving behind the x squared minus 4x in the bracket itself, and then we add 21 outside the bracket. So what we have now is we have x squared minus 4x that's inside the bracket, and with a x squared coefficient of x squared is 1. So what we're going to do is to complete the square for x squared minus 4x. So to do this, we're going to have a big square bracket. Inside this bracket, we have the x minus b squared. Now to get b comes the second step of our guide, and that is b is actually half of the coefficient of x. So b here is 4 divided by 2. So let me just replace this. So b here will be 2. And since b is now 2, we need to minus b squared. So we can minus 2 squared. And then we close the square bracket. And then we just add the last, the 21, the plus 21 at the end. So we are done with completing the square. And now we just need to simplify this by expanding the square bracket. So we have, do note that we have 2 terms inside the square bracket, 1, and the second term is 2 squared. So to expand it, we have 2 times x minus 2 squared minus 2 times 2 squared. I have 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 21, which to simplify this, we have 2x minus 2 squared plus 13. And this is the answer. And this is how we use the method of completing the square to get the expression as shown by the question.